Give me 90 seconds and I'll show you why that YouTube video bomb was the best thing that ever happened to you. The video you poured everything into, the one you thought would finally put you on the map, but ended up buried by the algorithm. I know it stings, I know it feels personal, but here's the truth. The big creators never say out loud. Every YouTuber you admire has a graveyard of flops, videos they're embarrassed to talk about, videos just like yours. But the women who truly make it on YouTube don't just brush off disappointment, they lean into it, they study it, they transform it. I have coached thousands of videos across 7-figure channels, and I promise you this, your flop isn't a judgment, it's a map. The algorithm isn't rejecting you, it is redirecting you. So feel angry, feel frustrated, but then take a breath. But ask the question that the winners ask, what is this teaching me? Because when you can turn disappointment into determination, setbacks into strategies, and rejection into reinvention, you don't just become resilient, you become unstoppable. Your YouTube success story doesn't start the moment you go viral. It starts right now, the moment you decide not to quit. And if that resonated with you, feel free to listen to it again or refer back to it anytime you feel like you could use some motivation.